Today we will be pan-searing a beautiful cod fish fillet. Stay tuned. Okay, so if you didn't know, with asparagus, you want to cut the ends off because they are typically a little bit thicker. Sometimes they're a little discolored from the actual asparagus, so you just want to chop those ends off. And of course, I chopped them up into pieces, just about like a ½ inch or so. And then I'm slicing up the Cubanelle pepper, and I'm going to do the same thing in the same chop method with the mini sweet peppers as well. What I'm going to do next is add some key lime oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you want. I'm seasoning it here with some sweet Creole onion blend, some sazon seasoning, some cumin, some garlic butter seasoning, and some cayenne pepper. And then of course we're just going to give that a good mix. After slicing the fish up, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to give that some seasoning as well, some more sazon, some red chili pepper flakes, some onion powder, some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm just going to rub it together to make sure both sides are evenly coated with the seasoning. Now I'm using some coconut oil to base my pan, and that is what I'm going to fry the fish in. And I'm just going to let the vegetables simmer until they get nice and done. If you never tried cod, I definitely recommend it. It was a beautiful flaky fish. The flavors were great on it. It is very delicate, so be careful when flipping it, but here you have it.
Get with the liquid. Get with the liquid. Lick like lick liquid.